Hello everyone, it's Gigi. I have a haul for you guys from Michael's and Target. At Michael's, they are having a huge sale right now, 70% off on a lot of their things, especially on this creatology stuff I'm going to show you first. And I was enabled by Tina Bean. Shame on you, girl. I'm just playing. But, so let me show you what I got, and in case you want to run out and get it before it's all taken up. So let me show you this first. They have these bead value packs that are regularly, I think they're $9.99, and they're on sale for $5. So I got it in this color. These pearls, they're so pretty, and you get a ton. So I got those in that color, and then they had them in this color. They only had one of the pinks, and they had two of these, and the rest were wood. And I didn't get the wood. Okay, and then I picked up the creatology stuff. So let me share that. That was 70% off. So I got these pony beads. And they are so pretty in the colors. They're pastels. These are going to be so fun to use, like when you make tassels and whatnot. So I got these, and they came out to be like $1.20. So all these that are $3.99 were $1.20. So I got those. Then I found these wood faceted beads. Really cute. They're unique. That's why I got them. Then I found these summer shaped beads. Did they all say summer? Oh yeah, they do all say summer. These are the shaped beads in pastels. And I thought these were really cute, so I picked up a bag of these. And I picked up some wood pony beads, and I loved the colors of these. And I mean, guys, you cannot beat $1.20. So if you're into jewelry making or making keychains or tassels, this is an excellent deal. Then I found one of these. And it just says beads, but they're like a frosted on the outside, and then there's a color on the inside. They're so pretty. And then I found these called plastic pukas. And these are so pretty. I've never seen anything like these before. $1.20. And then I found some charms. I found these ones right here. I thought they're so cute, and they're little like test tube beaker looking things with the little pastel balls on the inside. That's so cute. So you got 3 of those in that pack. And then I found one of these. It looks like cotton candy. And then I found one of these, and you guys know I love flamingos. So this was cute. Some of the ones that Tina Bean found, I didn't find. I found this unicorn. And then I found these. I thought those were cute. And then I only found one of these, otherwise I would have definitely bought more. But they're lobster claws, so you get them in gold, silver, and then you get the, oh my gosh, what do you call these? Jump rings. I'm trying to think. You get them in gold and silver also for $1.20. And then they had some twine. They call it cording. I found it in this color, and I really like this color, so I got 2 of this one. And then they had that cording in these colors. And it's like twine. So, I mean, you can use this on cards also. And then I found this cotton cord in these two colors. Thought those were pretty. And these were only $2.99, so they were what? 90 cents maybe? Really cute. And then I found some elastic, thick elastic cord in two different colors. And I figured whenever I do those traveler's notebook things, when I want to, or those, I bought that We Are Memory Keepers, or the, I think it was We Are Memory Keepers, where it shows you how to, it helps you to do bookbinding. That's what I'm trying to say. But I thought I could use these for that. So you get these really pretty purple, teal, and pink. And then they had gold, the iridescent white, and silver. And then they even had cases like this one. And this came out to be $3.90. So you get all these beads, you get these charms up here, you get twine. Let me read it to you. So you get 5.9 ounces of beads, you get 5 floss and 8 yards each, you get 5 O-rings, you get 5 lobster clasps, and 5 charms. Love it. I think they are so cute. Okay. And then I'll show you what I found on clearance. So I found these diamond dots, and they're called holiday colors, or a holiday pack. And you get 5 in here, 5 different colors. And these were $1.49. They only had one. And then they had one that was pastel, but that one was ringing up $14.99 regular price, and I was not spending $14.99, but I will spend $1.49. I found one last pack of this. This is the foam sheets that are adhesive for $5. They're regularly $8.99, and you get, how many do you get? 65 pieces. And those are all the colors you get. So these are good to have. Then I found this, and it's laminated burlap, and it's 12 inches by 47 inches. And I have this berry basket die, and I thought this would be so cool to use with that. And it was $2. Okay, and then I found these googly eyes. There's 4 different sizes, and they're all adhesive. So I grabbed that. Then I happened to find this paintbrush set. It's missing 2, so there's 8 in here. They were regularly $5.99. I got them for $1.50. And I use brushes all the time. So $1.50 is awesome. Then on clearance, they had, they still had one of these left, and I bought it last time, but they had these for $5 for the K. I hope they're not doing away with this one, because I do not want to find another trimmer again. But I went ahead and got it for $5. That's an awesome deal. Let's see. Then I got this lavender diffuser, and it was regularly $14.99. So I got it for $4.50. It's so pretty, and lavender is like one of my favorite scents. So I'm gonna keep that in my craft room. And then they had their candles at 70% off also. So I got this one here. It's Cherry Blossom. This one was also $14.99, so I got it for the $4.50. And it's the 3-wick soy wax blend candle. So let me show you. And it smells so good, guys. If they would have had another one of these, I would have grabbed it. This was the last Cherry Blossom I had. Okay, so no, I got 2 more things. So they had in their regular area, they had buy one, get something half off. So I went ahead and I got this dauber set. It's a 41 piece. They count the cases a piece, and you get 40 daubers. And I'm labeling each one of mine with my label maker that I got from Tina Bean for one of my Christmas gifts a couple years ago, for each one of my oxides. So that's why I've been buying these. And then my half off was for this. And I'm also doing one each for my oxides for these also. And that concludes Michael's. That was like amazing. And then at Target, I had found these paintbrushes for $1. And I got it specifically because of the fan brush. So when I do my flicking on my cards, I could use that fan brush. So I thought that was a good deal for $1. And then I found these fruit erasers, and I figured these would be cute charms if you just stick one of those head pins, or not a head pin, but it's like I think they're called head pins. I'm not sure. They screw into the top and they have a loop, but they're screws. So I love these. I think these are so cute for $1. And then I was so happy, guys. This is why I went, just to see if I could find one. So when y'all all got them before, I never got one. And I finally found one. So I got me a bubble gum machine in the glass. And it's in red. It is so cute. I would have loved if I could have found it in a different color. But I'm happy enough to have it in red. So, and these are only $3, which I think is a good deal. They're pretty big. Okay, guys, that concludes my haul. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.